Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I will do my project that is tiny bit line follower, and this is the robot of the tiny bit line follower, and this robot can do like this. Why the robot can do like this? Because in the robot there is sensor infrared that can detect the black line, and this robot also using the microbit, and we can coding the microbit with MacCode in the laptop. So we will go to the coding this robot. So to make that robot, you must have a tiny bit robot. This tiny bit or robot have a um, wheel, wheels, tire, motor, baterai, infrared, the sensor for the detecting the line, the black line, and this also ultrasonic, and this is slot for you put the microbit or the microcontroller. Can say microcontroller because this is the brain of the robot, and you can put the microbit here. After that, we can coding the robot in uh, what this is the first we can search method and like this because of method for microbit. Wait, after that we can set project, and this is the coding for the robot. First we have on start this on start and set index to 0. Why set index to 0? Because this the function when index is 0, this directly do this call maju. What is call maju? Call maju is like in Scratch it's like broadcast, and function maju is like when I retrieve broadcast, car control speed or the control the kecepatan or speed in the tiny bit is run is like straight speed 100, the speed is 100, and if line sensor direct left set value black is like the sensor of infrared in the left side detect the black line. This directly send the signal, the left signal, so the robot can turn left directly. And if line sensor uh, direct right state, the infrared right in the right side detect black line also. This directly send signal to to turn right directly speed 100. And for the main coding is in here and in here. Set index to 0, and the signal is give to this one. If like retrieve the index is 0, when the index is 0, the robot doing maju, do this one, the run straight. And after maju we can set the index to 1 for the next coding, because if not set index to 1, the next coding is not running. Like this, you just up to your track because my track is like before, so the coding is like this. I will explaining the function of the coding. If it's like kemungkinan in bahasa Indonesia like retrieve like kondisi, you will do call maju and or millisecond is the time you go straight how many times. So when the mils is 300, you will maju in 3 seconds. And in the next coding, when car controls left speed 87, this coding is plus with this coding. So uh, when the first coding is 300 and the second coding is 100, you can add to them like 300 plus 1000 plus 300, so you can put here 400 and like that, plus like this. And the last, you can put car control stop switch, make the robot stop. If you not have this coding, the robot will go and forever go like cannot stop. And maybe you can just put the USB in the microbit and you can download the file or like directly to the microbit, and the robot is already can like video before. And when you want to try, I can give the extension, the tiny bit extension in the description. And maybe that's all for me. May Sorry if I have some mistake. And the last word I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.